GrapeCity Documents for Word is a Word API that offers a complete solution to work with Word documents in .NET Standard 2.0 applications. GcWord's object model is based on the Microsoft Office API, Word JavaScript API, and OpenXML SDK. With GcWord, you can create, load, edit, save, and convert Word documents in .NET Standard 2.0 apps with zero dependencies on Microsoft Word. This video walks you through how to get started with GcWord on Linux. Go to grapecity.com to learn how to license GcWord in your application. In a terminal window, we're using the terminal in VS Code. Type the commands to create a new .NET Core console app. Open the folder of the .NET Core console app. If you haven't already done so, install the NuGet package manager from extensions and activate it. In VS Code, press Ctrl-P to open the file command box. Begin typing to find the NuGet package manager, add package in the list, and click it. In the search box that opens, type GrapeCity and press Enter. This should bring up the list of available GrapeCity packages. Select grapecity.documents.word and then the build number. This adds a reference to that package to your CS_proj file. Type .NET Restore. This fetches the reference packages for CS_proj. Next, go to program.cs. Include the necessary namespaces. For example, include grapecity.documents.word to work with the GcWord document object. Create a GcWord document object. Now we'll add a paragraph with some text to the document's main body. Note, the main body of a Word document is split into different sections. You can add paragraphs to different sections of the document, and you can access the sections using document.body. That's it. Save the document to a docx file. If you want the file to open automatically after the application code runs, include this code. In a terminal window, type the command to build and run the app. The Word file opens. You've created a Hello World Word document using GcWord. For more tutorials, videos, and code samples, visit our blog.